What I love about Continu and the e-learning platform, which we call at GoPro Academy, is that it's a true partnership. If there are capabilities that either we are envisioning or we would like to see, not only does Continu listen, Continu is always on the leading edge of technology and innovation.
My name is Cohen Summers, and I am the Senior Global Director at GoPro, running training and education.
GoPro is just helping the world to capture itself in immersive and exciting ways. Having an e-learning platform has always been a crucial component of our strategy and tactics. We want to make sure all the way from that internal group to our athletes, our influencers, partners, agencies, down to the guy that works at Best Buy, that we are here on the training team to deliver consistent, compelling, and credible content that can be consumed in a localized manner. When you train a staff member and you get them ongoing, one, not only you take them from zero to hero, two, you create the best environment for a shopper. And I think that's what the biggest ROI is. And Continu has been there right by our side to help us. One of the biggest benefits of working with Continu is the ability to reach everyone globally on an on-demand sense in their localized language on any device. It gives people around the world the ability to get more involved and learn more about the GoPro brand and product. It truly delivers an experience that I think everybody enjoys. We also developed a sweet custom dashboard. We've got distributors, retail partners spread throughout the entire world. We need an easy way to be able to aggregate that data, to analyze that data, and then ideally use that data to make data-driven decisions.
Would I recommend Continu to other companies? I mean, plain and simple, flat down, 100% yes.
If you're in need of an incredible e-learning platform that has features and capabilities that can support a global workforce, both internally and externally, I think Continu is a great solution.